All right now is really the calm before the storm. We are expecting some severe weather to move in the next few 24 hours, 48 hours. We're going to have a very active into or at least a start to our new work week. So we're looking over Baltimore, clouds in the sky, and it will be a bit on the windy side, but we're not looking at any wet weather today, or at least right now. The rain chance can increase towards the later evening hours and into tomorrow morning, and that's when we'll start getting in on some thunderstorms, and it's really going to ramp up towards the afternoon. But let's talk about today. We have into our weekend. Many folks may be heading to Sunday service right now. We're starting off with temperatures at 44 at BWI Marshall and downtown, 41 in Bel Air, 40 in Parkton, a few spots still in the 30s like Frederick at 37, but by this afternoon we're all going to be in the 50s. Looking at that seasonal range for this time of year, and we're going to continue to see cloud cover throughout the day and into the evening hours. And again, that rain will start to pick up all ahead of our next chance of severe weather to move in. So this is going to be a bigger threat than what we had Wednesday. If you remember, there was a couple of tornado warnings that were issued and went off on Wednesday afternoon. This is looking at Monday. So tomorrow we're looking at numerous and widespread severe weather. So if you look at here at this range, it is just one category short of the highest category. So we're expecting it to be very active tomorrow, and really it's going to be an all-day event. Here's a look at our chance for tornadoes. You can see the red here does clip parts of the Baltimore metro under that 15% chance of seeing tornadoes in that area. Much of the Baltimore metro, the city, is included in that, looking at that 10% chance. Mind you, we're usually in that 2 to 5 chance, and that's where I would usually say it's a low chance but not zero. This is a greater chance, so please take tomorrow's forecast serious. We can see the rain and hear some rumbles of thunder as early as the morning hours. This is a look at 1 a.m. and you can see it's pretty wet across the area, so if you have that overnight shift, keep that in mind. This is paused at 10 a.m. now, and there's some rain along parts of the I-95 corridor toward the north, and many folks may be heading into work, maybe into school. Keep this forecast in the back of your mind. Have a way to stay up to date on weather alerts throughout the day, because we'll have that chance for severe thunderstorms throughout the day. And this is a look at our chance where we could see the greatest tornado threat, and yes, you did see it. It wasn't a mistake. On the back end of it, a few snowflakes could fly as cold air moves in on the back end of this cold front. Here's just a reminder, with the higher chance of seeing tornadoes tomorrow, you need to know where to be in case you are in that severe weather or that tornado warning. You want to be in the middle of a sturdy building, in the most interior room, away from exterior walls and the windows. And the best place is going to be in the basement, the lowest level of that building. And keep that tip in mind as you're heading to school and work tomorrow. Where would your safe place be in the event that you get that tornado warning? It's going to be mild tomorrow, but not many folks going to be able to enjoy it, because when thunder roars, you need to head indoors, and that thunderstorm threat will be throughout the day, especially towards the evening hours.